Good afternoon, everybody. Chris Bradley with your Weather Geek Report here on this Tuesday, and a good day to be hanging by the pool. It's warm. I tell you, it's going to get a lot hotter. The hottest weather of the season looks to be moving across the country here this week. Temperatures will soar into the 90s across much of the eastern U.S. In fact, you get back here across the Plains states, readings could be even higher, up over 100 degrees, and that's not including the humidity, so it's going to feel even warmer than that. So let me show you here what we can expect across Ohio. 90-degree weather expected for several days in a row, beginning on Thursday, continuing right into your Friday, your Saturday, and your Sunday. And right now, I think Saturday will be the hottest day because the temperature is forecast to climb to almost 96 degrees. Now, let me show you why it's going to feel so uncomfortable. Yeah, the temperature's up, but so are the dew point levels. And this is a look at where the dew point's going to be right here across the I-70 corridor. We're talking 70, 75. I mean, this model, I think, is probably a little high, but it's hinting it could be as high as 77 or 78, which is a scorcher. That's really what it feels like down in Florida. Very, very uncomfortable. So you factor in the temperature and the humidity, and you end up with what we call the heat index. Now, this is pretty interesting because the heat index values are up to, well, certainly dangerous categories. 104 expected over the weekend. There you see we've got one at about 104 in Grove City and in Groveport. You get up across parts of northwest Ohio. Look, we're talking about 105. Heat index reading right here up at Toledo at 107. So very, very hot and humid weather. Now, as we look ahead, this is the long-range outlook. And so you're wondering, Chris, what are you talking about? This real hot stuff. Well, yesterday, this was actually up almost 100 degrees. You can still see we're up at 96, the forecast model for Saturday, 96 for Sunday. We're up to 98, and then we're back to 94 by Monday. So a scorcher on the way. We'll keep a tab on the very hot weather coming, and I will look ahead to our next chance for rain. I'll look for you on 10 TV News tonight at 5, 5:30, and 6. Weather Geek Live comes your way here on Facebook. That happens at 10 p.m. sharp. And I'll look for you for 10 TV News at 11. See you then.